Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the custom graphics section under the settings tab. So let's begin. The custom graphics tool can be used to upload, select, and edit the default graphics or icons for your website. Here's what you can manage. First, the background image. This is a graphic used to display as the website background on the front end. Changing your background image is a great way to spice up your website. You can do so for holidays, events, promotions, sponsorships, etc. Next is a No Image Available graphic. This is a graphic that will be used next to a business or member on the business directory page if no image is set up for them. The default personality image is the default graphic for a jock or personality if no profile picture was set up for them. The default artist library album image is the default graphic for artists on the artist library or top request page if no graphic was set up for them. And finally, the default Facebook icon image is the default graphic that will serve as the page's preview image on social media sites like Facebook. I want to note that you can only have up to 5 graphics uploaded for each section at a time. Also, you need to make sure that your graphics meet the requirements for the sections you are uploading them to, so paying attention to these max dimensions is key. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.